Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Pandora here, and I'm back with a new video. Today we're going to be doing this makeup look, and I'm going to start with SMASHBOX Photo Finish Minimize Pores Primer. And today I'm using a NYX Control Drop in the shade Natural. Oh wow, that's a pretty good coverage. I was a little bit skeptic at first because it looks so liquidy, but it looks really nice. It's very pigmented. For the eyebrows today, I'm going to use NYX Professional Makeup Eyebrow Gel. It's supposed to be waterproof in the shade Espresso. And I'm going to apply it with my Sigma E65 angled brush. This is definitely my go-to brush for the eyebrows. For the eye primer, as per usual, I'm going to be using Born This Way Multi-Use Concealer by Too Faced. And I'm going to apply it all over my eyes with my Sigma Conceal F75 brush. To do my eyes today, I'm going to be using a NYX Midnight Chaos. For the transition, I'm going to start with this color right here. And with my Sigma E35, I'm going to apply it all over my crease. To intensify the color, I'm gonna go in with this color right here. And I'm gonna bring it all the way in. This one definitely looks a little different than in the pan. It gives more like a pinkish magenta compared to, in the pan it looks like more of a brownish rose gold. With a clean brush, I'm going to blend it a little more, the edges. Then on the outer corner, I'm gonna go in with this color right here. I must say though, the colors on the eyes don't quite match with the colors I see on the pan, which is weird. Alright, well, we're just gonna roll with it. I was hoping for brown, like espresso brown, but that ain't happening today. That is definitely an interesting outcome. I did not expect it. Then with my Sigma Thin Brush E04, I am gonna go in with this beautiful color right here, and I'm going to highlight my brow bone. This one has a lot of fallout. It's really hard to pick it up from the pan. There's that bluish iridescent vibe. It's an interesting combination. Alright, next I'm going to cut my crease with Born This Way Multi-Use Concealer. I feel like I don't want to go with a shimmery iridescent one that I have on my brow bone, so I'm gonna go in to my Too Faced glittery palette, and I'm gonna use this white one. I'm gonna go in with this color right here and make the transition between white and the burgundy. The next thing, I'm gonna use the NYX matte eyeliner. I don't know, I feel like adding a little extra, make it more colorful, and I'm gonna go in with my NYX green highlighter. Not highlighter, glitter. For that, I'm gonna use NYX Glitter Glue. I don't know how safe they are for your eyes, so if you want to try to use them, you do it at your own risk. I'm gonna use it today anyway. However, when you buy glitter, make sure it's face safe and eye safe. Now I'm going to add lashes, and today I'm going to use the Sephora and Lily lashes. But before I do that, I am going to add a coat of mascara. And today I'm using Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Alright guys, I'm gonna go finish my other eye and I'll be right back. Now with Sigma Wicked Gel Eyeliner, which is black, I'm going to apply it in the inner corner and under the lash. And I'm going to conceal with Too Faced Born This Way multi-use concealer. I'm also highlighting with this as well. And with my beauty blender, I'm just going to spread it around. I'm going to set it with my NYX Stay Matte But Not Flat in the shade Nude. I feel like this powder is going to be way too much for dry skin because I feel like it's drying out, but since I'm getting extremely oily throughout the day, that'll be perfect. For the under eye, I'm gonna go in with this color. And with my E15 Sigma brush, I'm gonna go in with this color. I feel like I need a little color on the waterline, so I'm gonna go in with Sigma Nightlife by Camila Coelho pencil, and I'm gonna use the Festa. For the lips today, I'm gonna be using a Sigma liquid lipstick in the shade Anti-Venom. And at the edge, I'm gonna go in with the New Mod. And this is it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did, give us a big like and consider subscribing for more videos like that. I love you all and I'll see you on my next one. Bye, lovies!